Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts and devices. Sign into the Google account you'll use as the parent and make sure the child's device is ready. Open the Family Link app for parents and follow the Create Family workflow. Once done, install the child app on the kid's device. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and Bluetooth is on so the apps can detect each other. This gets you into the initial pairing flow quickly and avoids needless back and forth. Once linked, you'll see a pairing code on your parent app. Enter that on the child's device and approve the connection. After pairing, configure screen time schedules and daily limits so routines are predictable. You can fine-tune weekdays versus weekends. Next, set app permissions and approve or block apps from Google Play and enable content filtering for age-appropriate material. Finally, turn on location sharing so you can view the child's device position. Make sure to save each setting so it syncs to the cloud. You finish by regularly monitoring the dashboard, review app activity, adjust limits, and approve requests in real time. Make sure both devices keep Family Link and the OS updated for stable behavior. Updates often fix permission bugs. If something goes wrong, first restart the apps and devices, then try re-pairing with the family group code. If that fails, sign into Families. Google. Com to check your family group and parental permissions. This sequence resolves most common sync and permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.